Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another Henry Got Hustle video. And in today's video, I am going to be hitting up a Ross. Hopefully I can hit up two, but if not, it's all good because we're on a little time schedule today. Because I don't know if you guys know this, but every single January, like towards the end of January, Ross starts liquidating a lot of their stuff, of the inventory, and it's like dirt cheap. Like you can find stuff for as cheap as 49 cents. So not everything is 49 cents. Just that quick disclaimer, just for those of you think everything's 49 cents. But a lot of it is probably gonna be less than $10. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. Last year when they had this sale, I wasn't able to capitalize on it because I was barely starting to resell. So now that I've been doing it for a year already, I have basically I have more money to spend. So really excited to see what I can find. And yeah, like I said, I don't know if I said it, but hopefully I go to two Rosses. But first we're gonna go to Burlington and then those Rosses. But yeah, hopefully we can find some good stuff, and I'll show you guys some footage as always. And guys, see you there later. Alright guys, just got to the Burlington. Let's see what we find. Alright guys, so I just got back in the car and I'm leaving from Burlington now. Unfortunately, I didn't find anything. They had a few stuff that was kind of risky. They had a few stuff that was a men's size 7, and even though it was selling for over 100, I didn't really feel like dealing with anything men's size 7. So if that's the type of thing that if it's on sale, I'll pick it up, but if it's not, then I'll just let someone else pick it up. It's not a big deal. So yeah, so we're gonna be going to Ross now for that clearance I was telling you guys about. So hopefully I can find some really cheap stuff. And also this Burlington near my house, they said that they restock 6 times a week. So then basically Sundays is a no-go for Burlingtons. So yeah, we're on our way to Ross now, like I said, and yeah, see you guys there. Guys, so now I'm here at the first Ross. After this one, we're gonna hit up another one, and yeah, hopefully we can find some of those clearance stuff. Alright, so we're in the men's shoe section now. I haven't found anything yet, but just for the purpose of the video, I am gonna show you guys these. They are $5. So just to show you guys that there's a lot of cheap stuff right now. They have a ton of baseball cleats. They're anywhere from $9 or lower, but I'm not gonna pick any of them up. It's because I don't really like to deal with baseball cleats anymore. These New Balance Kawais, $16.99. If you can see it right there. I don't know about those. Maybe we'll come back to those, but so far I haven't seen anything. I have only looked through one aisle though, so still a lot more to look through. See, same thing. $16.99 for these Kawais. Let me know if you guys are picking those up for $16.99. I'm personally kind of maybe if they go to $10 or maybe less, then I'll pick them up. But for now, I'm personally just leaving them behind. Alright, now we're on to the next Ross. I just left from the first one. They didn't really have anything. I was really surprised to see that they didn't have more stuff marked down. But it is what it is. Maybe the next one will have more stuff. I ended up getting some Adidas football cleats. They were $5.99. I always sell them for $30 or more. And then I found some PSG. It was a top, a women's top. It was pretty sick actually. I'll show you guys once I get home those. But yeah, let's go to the next one. So the Ross is over there, and there's a Marshalls right there. So I'm just gonna walk in, why not? But I decided to show you guys really quick what I ended up getting. I only got 2 shoes. I got these Adidas SL20s, retail for $120. They're actually on sale for $10.99, so super steal on those. And then I ended up getting these New Balance made in the USA, their 30th anniversary. They're men's size 4.5, so very, very tiny. But on GOAT, the last sold was $150. So, and they were only $25. So definitely really, really good deal on both of those. And yeah, let's see if we could find anything else at the Marshalls right here. Hopefully we can find something. Fingers crossed. I'm not sure if we're gonna go to more stores after this. We already went to Burlington, 2 Rosses, and now this Marshalls. Yeah guys, let's do it. Alright, so first up in the Marshalls men's section, we got these Ultra Boost climbers. Men's size 9.5. They're retail for $180 and they're only $50 here at Marshalls. Let me show you guys. $50 for the personal. That's a really, really big steal. But for resale, Ultra Boost, I feel like Ultra Boost don't really sell as well as they used to. I feel like last year, I would always sell them for a lot, but I don't know, kind of just dipped. But who knows? I don't know. We got these right here, cleats for $12. They're really, really good though. Some Tims, size 15, I think. How much are they? $49. I mean, hey, size 15. Come get some Tims. We got these right here. How much are these? $18 is really good for those, but they're really big. much are these? 45. Yeah, right. If I could, I'm not even willing to pay freaking 50 for Ultra Boost, it makes you gonna think I want to pay that much for those. Like, I feel like, I don't know if it's just your guys' Marshall, but like I feel like they kind of like don't have that many shoes anymore. I don't know what's going on with that, but I don't know. It's really weird. I don't know why they're doing that. But they have like way less shoes than they normally always would. It's really weird. I don't know why they do. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they lost a contract or I don't know what. It's really weird. And they just have a little tiny clearance section, like so strange. I don't know what they're doing. Got these Nikes right here. $27. I would never pay that much for those. But personal, I always bring them for the personals, but I mean, really, if you're just shopping for yourself, that's a good deal. Same thing with these. For yourself, good deal. Let me see these. $33. That is not a good deal at all. You could always. I literally was showing you guys at Ross that I was finding those for like $5. So definitely not a good deal at all. I mean, that's it. I mean, that's really it. I mean, there's nothing else to show. I mean, unless you want to see some good gears. Alright, so they do have a Foot Locker at this mall, so I'm gonna hit it up. Like, why not? Cause Foot Locker has been kind of putting stuff on clearance lately. It's kind of weird. I don't know. So we're gonna check it out, see if they got anything good, and yeah, hopefully we find something cool. We got these Air Max 90s here for $60. Yeah, pretty good deal on these. On the men's section, that's all they got though. They don't got anything else. That's a bit of a deal. Yo, what's up everybody? I just got back home and I'm gonna show you guys what I got, like I said I would. So I went to the last one I went to Foot Locker and I got these Air Max 270 Reacts. Got them for $40. I always did some locally for like 100, so someone gives me an offer for 80, I'll take it, double my money. So then I got these Air Max 90s for $60. I'm gonna post them for like 110. Someone gives me an offer like $90, take it. Little, almost not double it, but you know, nice little profit. Both of them are women's size 6.5, so I got those two from Foot Locker. And then I got these from Ross, from the second Ross that I went to. I got these New Balance, the Made in the USA 30th anniversary. They're men's size 4.5, so they're kind of small, but they're only $25, and they were selling for over 100 and up on like eBay, Go, and that type of thing. So yeah, it was a really good pickup on those. And I got these Adidas SL20s. They're like a running shoe. They retail for $120, and I got it for only $11. Men's size 13, so they're still a pretty good size. Men's size 13 is still relatively like a pretty decent size. So I got those at Ross too, second Ross. And then, hey guys, like I was saying, both of those PSG tops, pretty cool. Retail for $70, got it for $13. I'm probably gonna list it for like 50. Get any decent offers, I'll just take it. And yeah, and then it was that. And then at the first Ross, I got these cleats, these football cleats. These retail for $120. I sold these before for 30 and up. I think I've sold them up to $50 before. So yeah, for $5.99, had to pick them up. Scoop them up. I'll probably list them anywhere from like 30 to $50, and just make a quick sale. So yeah, that was everything, guys. Concludes the haul. I was hoping to get a lot more, but unfortunately, I couldn't find more things. I guess I don't know if maybe they haven't put on clearance yet, or maybe they did and other people just beat me to it, I don't know. But they do have other stuff too, so maybe that'll get clearanced out in the future. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I appreciate all of you for watching, and until the next time, guys, see you later. Peace out, guys. Later.